got. Basic wiring diagram, packing slip. There it is. See the little orange dot there in the middle for the turn signal. Logo right there in the corner. Light from the back side. Do wish they gave me a little bit more wiring than that. That kind of sucks. It's not a lot to work with, but we'll make do. These are gonna go right there and replace that panel. These come off pretty easy, but the two short ones here on the bottom are just like little 1-inch bolts. And then you've got these up here. They're actually a longer bolt with a spacer. And then this guy just slides right out. That's it. I do want to know what that little wire goes to. Not hooked up to anything, maybe I can use it. So a quick Google search shows that this plug here is actually for the adaptive cruise control. So we are not going to be messing with that. Passenger side's more or less the same. The only difference is you will have to just unscrew your antenna there so that way you can pull the panel out. But same 4 bolts. And then the other difference is instead of the hole being down here, there's a hole up here for your wire. Alright, there it is, all installed. Very clean. Looks like it's factory. If it wasn't for that little emblem there, you wouldn't even know. I just have, there's a little hole right there for the wire to come out. Probably ground it here. And then we're going to connect the turn signal so the turn signal works. And then what I'm actually going to do with the light is I'm going to hook it up to the truck bed light. So when I unlock the truck, they'll come on, or when I turn on the truck bed auxiliary light, they can come on, no extra switches needed. All done. So what's making this magic happen is back here on the truck bed, got a light on each side of the truck bed. I want it right here on the driver's side, tied into the connector there for the light, ran it along the frame, came up here, connected the 2 lights together, grounded them together. And so now when the truck bed lights come on, the side lights come on, which means when I unlock it and when I push the button on the dash for the truck bed. So no extra switches and the extra light whenever the truck is unlocked. Double win.